Hey guys, just showing you guys some of the things that are in the Dollar Tree. Now this Dollar Tree is converting to the $5, $3, $1.25 Dollar Tree. So there, it's a mess. That's number one. Number two, I can't find anything. And number three, everything is not going to be $1.25. So sadly to say, our lifetime of running into a dollar store, first it was $1, then it was $1.25, but now it's going to be $5, $3, and $1.25. So good times don't last long, but I'm just going to walk you guys through as I pick up a couple of things, and I will show you in the end what I got. Sorry about my nail being in the way. I didn't realize it was in the way. I did find the Twix coffee, the Twinkie. I think it's Twinkie, Twix, and Snickers again. So I did grab another one of those. One of them had an aftertaste that I didn't like, and I think it was the Snicker. But I grabbed them again so I can tell. They taste pretty good. I just don't like when things have a little bit of a lingering aftertaste. So I'm showing y'all some of the goodies that they have in here. Trying to hold the phone where people in the store don't know I'm recording. So once again, forgive little sassy there, my little pointer fingernail that may peep out from time to time in the camera. But enjoy the walkthrough. So I was looking for the cinnamon, the baking stuff. My daughter loves to bake, and I love sweets. They didn't have it, but I saw in somebody's video where they had like cinnamon buns or cinnamon rolls or something you can bake, but they didn't have it. Anybody interested in the pink sauce? It's in the Dollar Tree. Run and go get it. I'm not even gonna try it. I'm not. We're not doing that. I feel some type of way about that. So as you can see, this Dollar Tree is a mess. You can look over there in the corner. You can see that they have stuff everywhere. It's very hard to get through. I think it's going to be a while before I come back to this particular Dollar Tree. I'm going to give them time to get it together so that you can actually shop in peace, because I cannot find anything when the store is like this. That's just like a phobia I have. I'm not going to dig through a bunch of stuff and I can't find anything. So yeah, it'll be a while before I come back to this particular Dollar Tree. I'm going to let them go ahead and get their stuff set up how they want it set up. Just to show y'all, this is, I guess they're starting the $5 stuff. Excuse me. Plus, in this Dollar Tree, I used to know where everything was, and now that they're switching it around, I don't know where anything is. So it was very frustrating trying to find the stuff I was looking for. But here are some of the things that they are incorporating into their $3 and $5 aisle. And once again, extremely aggravating to shop. Here's another aisle that you can barely get down with the buggy, so I did not even try. They're trying to get it together. So like I said, not to keep repeating myself, but I'm going to give it 2 or 3 weeks before I come back to this Dollar Tree. Here is another, I think it's going to be $3, $5 aisle. They're getting ready for Valentine's Day. I swear, people don't let a holiday breathe. Like, they don't give stuff time to come and go. Like, bro, Christmas is Monday. Why are we already in February for Valentine's Day? Well, y'all go ahead and grab y'all stuff then. Just go ahead and go to the store and get y'all stuff. I don't know. That aggravates me for some reason. Like, let us breathe. It's like you can't even breathe before the next thing is on you. You know what I'm saying? Like, give me a minute to recuperate from Christmas, please. right, and I'm just going back over to the holiday stuff to make sure I didn't miss any things for the kids' stockings, little things I can throw into their stockings. One thing the Dollar Tree did not have this year, I could not find Christmas cards. Like, you used to be able to find a whole variety of boxes of Christmas cards, but I could not find Christmas cards. A lot of bags, wrapping paper, and cute stockings, as you can see. I couldn't find any cute wrapping paper either. It just was not fun shopping at the Dollar Tree this year for the holidays. I needed wrapping paper for the baby for Brooklyn. And I ended up getting the Rugrats wrapping paper because just nothing caught my eye. I don't know if it's me, the stores, the season. As you can see, there were a lot of empty shelves, like a lot. But it just wasn't enthusiastic. It just didn't feel like the holidays. You go in the stores and everything is empty. You can't find nothing. Everything is a mess. You know? Like, see what I mean? Look at this. It's like you go in the store and you wasted time. You just wasted a whole lot of time. The shelves are empty. I went into Walmart the other day and it was the same thing. Everything was pretty much empty. It just, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to take a break and let these stores get their life together because this is crazy. Did they get raided or something? Like I said, I think it's just them moving stuff around to get the dollar stuff, the $3 stuff, and the $5 stuff where it needs to go. So on to what I picked up, and I'm out of here. I picked up 3 stockings for the 3 grandkids: Minnie Mouse, Trolls, and Spider-Man. Trying to get it in the camera for you guys without people knowing that I'm recording. You see the wrapping paper there. I did get 2 packs of the Rugrats wrapping paper. So that was that. I may hit another Dollar Tree before Christmas that's a little bit more organized. They had the Gain, let me get it together here, odor defense dryer sheets. I thought that was pretty good for $1. Instead of just a regular Gain dryer sheets, they had the Gain odor defense dryer sheets. So happy holidays to everyone, and I hope you enjoyed the video.